Now it's time to make our own version, our homemade version of whatever we have at home. All the items I had at home. We're going to use these to make a heart model. So you'll need a glass jar. It doesn't have to be this size. It can be a little bigger if you like. Use what you have. Some straws. You can get a bunch of straws for $1. I had those at home. I love straws. Balloons. These are ones I had from a graduation party. And some scissors. Or if you don't want to use really sharp objects, you can try using like wood skewers that have a little pointy end, something that has a pointy end that you can kind of poke little holes, okay? And you need some water. It doesn't have to be bottled water. It can be tap water. That's fine. This is what I have. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it up. You can even color the water if you like. If you want it to be red, you can do that if you want. Okay, so now we are going to cut the little tip off of this balloon. We'll see if that's enough for this jar. Hopefully it'll work just right. Yeah, I figured I need to cut that a little bit more. Didn't do it. Okay. A little bit more. You know what? Still gonna need to cut some more. There we go. Ooh, that was hard work. You have to play around with it. When you're making things, you got to play around with it to get it right. All right, now we're going to poke just 2 holes. Of course, it wouldn't work. I got really strong balloons for some reason. All right. We're going to put 1 straw in 1 hole. Might have to make a bigger hole. Let's see. Nope, it went in. There we go. Another straw in the other hole. There we go, finally. Okay, and so, okay, got some more tape, and we're going to tape the piece that you cut off of the balloon to one side. So, yeah, some people are a little more crafty than me, so they can do a much better job. Moms and dads, students. Feel free to post what you did. Feel free to show me up. I'm just gonna make it extra. I know it's not pretty, but hopefully it works just right. All right. And if you see there, the water's coming out. This is how a valve works. You notice that water's not coming out of this side. This is acting as the valve so that you will not have blood flowing back into an area that it's not supposed to go into once one side is filled. So that's it. The blood goes out, but it can't go back in because of the valve. That simple. So feel free to try that at home. Oh, but don't forget, I always like to say, make sure that you exercise your mind as well as your body at all times, okay?